In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Evernote and Todoist. By the end of this walkthrough, your notes and tasks will be connected so you can capture ideas in Evernote and act on them in Todoist without any extra copying and pasting. First, open your browser and go to the Todoist web app. If you're not already logged in, sign in with your usual account details. It's best to do this on a computer rather than a phone for this setup, because the settings are easier to find and navigate on a larger screen. Once Todoist has loaded and you can see your Today view or your projects, look towards the top left of the screen. You'll see your profile name or avatar there. Click on that profile area. This opens a small menu where you can access your personal account options. From that menu, click on Settings. This will open a new window or panel with several tabs along the top or left side, such as Account, General, and others, depending on your version of Todoist. Take a second to let it load fully so you can see all the options available. Now, look for the tab labeled Integrations and click on it. This is where Todoist connects to other apps and services. If you've never used integrations before, this page might look pretty empty, and that's totally fine. That just means you're starting fresh. On the integrations page, you'll see a section for installed integrations and a button that says Add Integrations. Click on Add Integrations. This will bring you to a browsing area where you can see a list of apps that work with Todoist. Scroll through the list until you find Evernote. The apps are usually listed alphabetically, so Evernote should be fairly easy to spot. When you see the Evernote option, click on it to open the details page for that integration. Here, you can quickly review what the integration does, but the main thing you're looking for is the Add button. Click on Add to start connecting Evernote to Todoist. After you click Add, Todoist will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. Typically, this includes signing into your Evernote account, confirming that you want to give Todoist permission to access your notes, and then approving the connection. Just follow each prompt carefully, read the permission messages so you know what access you're granting, and confirm whenever you're asked. When you reach the final confirmation screen, your Evernote and Todoist accounts will be successfully linked and ready to use together.